Hi, this is Ricardo Lopez with Hoven Real Estate. I have the statistics for this past month. So basically what we're seeing here is a change. It started last month. Last month, I mentioned that we were starting to see a change right here. Let me pick the pen here. That color will do. We started to see a change right there. What this is a number of listings, the number of listings available. The inventory was going down for the longest time, right? Month after month. Then we saw that in April, it started going up, okay? And now what we see is that in June, we see the inventory going up again. So this curve right here is a change. Things are starting to show that there's more inventory in the market. This is a result of higher interest rates. The demand is starting to come down, so inventory is starting to go up. Now we see the next chart here. This is the list prices. They have been going up and they continue to go up. Why? Because what happens with the prices is that it follows what the market was doing a month ago or 2 months ago. What we're seeing is people were seeing low inventory. They're selling houses at a higher price. Then when you're going to price the house, you're going to use the comparatives, the comps from what sold last month, which was what was priced a month before. So what happens is these list prices are kind of behind. And we're seeing that the prices are starting to go up. My prediction is that they will start to come down because the inventory is higher right now. On the next chart here, we see what we call the absorption rate. The absorption rate is the number of months that it will take to sell all of the inventory in the market if no new houses get listed. Nothing happens, nothing else goes on the market. How long will it take for all of that inventory to sell? And this is a great statistic because it shows us that it kept going down. So it's going to take only, almost 0.8 right here at this particular point, but then it started to go up again. Going up means that it's going to take longer to sell all the inventory. These two go together here, this one and this one. They go together because the number of listings and the number of months that it's going to take to sell the inventory is kind of a similar statistic. Now let's go to the next one here, the sold to list ratio. What this tells you is that at this point right here, this line right here, the houses are selling at 100% sold to list. So they are selling at the list price. Then what happened? In April, it started selling above, and then it continued to sell above list price even higher last month. But then get fooled here. If you follow this line going up, the line will go this way. So what we're seeing here is that this line is starting to curve as well. Okay, that is not going on a linear pattern right there. Let's take a look at the days on the market. How many days does it stay on the market a house? So what we see is that it has been going down and it continues to go down. Okay, so that particular stat hasn't changed. The average cumulative days on the market has gone down. I wish we could see on this graph the median and not the average, because the average gets pulled by the outliers at both sides. But let me leave that one alone because I want to show you the next one. This is the price volume, okay? Price volume is the total. If you add all of the prices of all of the houses that are on the market, this is the amount, okay? So we're seeing that last year, we have a volume here of $800 million on houses. Now, the red line is the active, okay? It has been going down, meaning that it was going down, 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 and then here it goes up. What does this mean when it goes up? This is the active list volume. So what happens is at the same time that the sold starts to go down, okay, because this is starting to go down here, the active starts to go up. The analysis here is as follows. If the sold sale volume, okay, this is the total number, if you add all of the houses, what the volume is, that's sold. If it starts to go down, means that the prices of those houses that sold, the total, it's going down, meaning that the houses are selling at a lower price. This goes with this right here, meaning that this is starting to change. Okay. At the same time, the active list volume goes up. Why? Because houses are not selling. They're staying longer in the market. That goes with the inventory up here. All right. Houses are staying longer in the market. So if you add all of them that are on the market active, it's going to be a higher number. And the lower number, if the ones that are sold, it's going to go down. So all of this to say that there is change. There is change. Can I write here? Change going on. All right, look at all these scribbles. Nobody could make sense of this anymore. So anyway, Ricardo Lopez, Home and Real Estate. I'm giving you a little bit of an overview of the market. Hope this helps. Talk to you soon.